Shop says the timing belt kit is defective, but you know it's not. What do you need to look for and what questions do you need to ask? Next.
This video is sponsored by ENA. Visit scheffler.us for more information.
Returns, it's only natural when you're in the part selling business. But when a part comes back to you and the customer says that there's a manufacturing defect, you need to look a little bit deeper to see if they know how to install the part properly. If you get a timing belt kit that's been returned to you, make sure you look through the box. Make sure that they've installed all the associated parts, including the water pump, seals, and tensioners. A lot of returns on timing belts comes from the shop not installing all the components inside the kit. They're cutting corners, trying to save time, but when they neglect to install certain parts, it has a direct impact on the life of the belt, and it's not a manufacturer defect. So make sure you're going through the kit, see what was installed and what was not installed. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.